Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video, guys. If you enjoy cryptocurrency news, technical analysis, and coin talk, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and share the video. Helps me out a ton, and that way the video gets pushed more in the YouTube algorithm, guys. In today's video, I want to talk about XRP. I haven't done a lot of technical analysis lately, but I want to start doing it at least once a week on whatever coin you guys most request. I figured a lot of my audience is really interested in XRP, and therefore I wanted to talk a bit about XRP. Now, XRP is a coin I'm very positive on long term. I'm very bullish on long term. Now, looking in the short term, I'm actually also fairly bullish on it, okay? I'm not saying there won't be pullbacks. I'm not saying that there won't be, profit taking that occurs where the price temporarily drops, but I'm thinking really short term and medium term, it's looking fairly well. And I'm going to go into the analysis in just a second, but again, if I'm going to say it one more time, if you do like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you want more videos like this. But let's get into it. Let's talk about XRP. So first thing I have up is a Bollinger Band. A Bollinger Band is simply a technical analysis tool that measures price extremities. I always like Bollinger Bands for looking at buying opportunities. I always look at periods where I will use a Bollinger Band and I will use RSI, that is Relative Strength Index, to determine buying periods. But I also like Bollinger Bands to determine bullishness, okay? So we're seeing price extremities when Bollinger Bands, when they expand, okay? And right here, we have a green candlestick going almost above the Bollinger Band, okay? Now, typically, one of the signs of a buying opportunity, meaning prices are at a good low, is when the red candlestick goes below the Bollinger Band. That means you hit a good low. Of course, that's not enough. You have to use RSI alongside that because just the Bollinger Band's not enough. But when you see the reverse, it only makes sense that that means it's in a bullish period, meaning it's a good time to be holding because prices are getting pretty high relative to older prices. Okay, that's what a Bollinger Band actually measures, price extremities. So we see a green candlestick going almost above the Bollinger Band, which is fairly bullish. But I also want to pull up an RSI, okay? So that is Relative Strength Index. Now, what I'm looking for in RSI is room to run, meaning I don't want to be encouraging people to buy XRP when the RSI is at above the overbuying territory, which is above 70. So above 70 is overbuying, below 30 is overselling. Generally speaking, and I'm just talking with a broad brushstroke, you have to use multiple indicators. When RSI goes below 30, it could be a good buying opportunity. When RSI, because that means it's getting very low. When RSI goes above 30, that means prices are being overbought and are going to be due for a short-term pullback. Now, looking at XRP right here, we can see prices relative to RSI are pretty stable. It's not yet in overselling. It's not in overbuying. This is telling me there's room to run, okay? This is telling me that we're not overbought yet, and there's not going to be a sizable pullback just yet. And this is telling me that it could be a good opportunity for people who want to make some money with XRP. Again, I'm just talking short term. Long term, I wouldn't advise anyone to sell, okay? So I'm talking about if you're trading XRP, then maybe if you're trying to do some swing trading and stuff, take this into account. But if you're long term, I'm not advising you to sell XRP when it goes above 70, because if you're long term on it, it doesn't matter what the short term price is because you believe in the fundamentals of it, and I believe in the fundamentals of XRP. Next up, I want to pull up a MACD indicator, okay? Now, MACD indicator is a lagging indicator. I do admit that. However, one thing you want to look for with MACD is you want to look for this blue line right here crossing above the orange line, okay? So look at this relative to the price. Right here, we see the blue line cross above the orange line, correct? Now look at the price of XRP right here. Huge jump right there, and it measures perfectly with the MACD indicator. Okay, so this is a fairly good indicator to be using alongside other indicators. Again, guys, you have to stack these indicators to come up with a good trading strategy. You can't just use one, you can't just use two, you have to use many, and that's what I've always been telling people when it comes to trading. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Take it as with a grain of salt. This is just my opinion. I always have to put that disclaimer disclaimer. But now when you look at the MACD over here, what do we see? We see the blue line is under the orange line, all right? So that's normally not good, but we can see a crossing starting to happen right here. You can see the blue line's coming up, the orange line's coming down. That could only mean a crossing is about to occur. Now, when this MACD crosses, we could see an extreme jump in price, okay? Now, it's possible this cross doesn't happen. It's possible, again, technical analysis, there's always possibilities where you're wrong and it doesn't happen, but it's looking fairly positive because you can see how close they're getting together, right? That separation between the two is starting to go away and it's starting to actually come to a crossing, okay? So that's a good sign. So we have three things going right now. We have a green candlestick almost breaking above the Bollinger Band, very bullish. We have RSI stable, meaning there's not overbuying and there's not overselling, and we have a potential MACD crossing. So taking this into account, in the short to medium term, I am very bullish on XRP, and I think the fundamentals and the technicals are looking very well. There's a lot of partnerships going on that are starting to come to fruition, but just focusing on the technicals, things are looking positive. Again, if you're long-term on this, it doesn't even matter. Don't even watch the video because long-term, you hodl, you accumulate. I shouldn't say don't watch the videos because if you're long-term on it, you want to buy when prices are low, and that's when I'll be updating you on the channel. Hey guys, the price of this cryptocurrency is looking fairly low right now. This might be a good buying opportunity. That's what would, be happening. But right now XRP is looking very hot. Things are looking very good from a technical standpoint and from a fundamental standpoint. And I want to know what you guys think about this. If you agree with me, comment down below. If you disagree with me, comment down below. I'm always open to opposing thoughts. I don't censor people. I allow anyone to comment as long as it's not spam. And I think YouTube usually will take care of the spam. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day. If you've been wanting to learn how to trade in the stock market or crypto markets, look no further. Trend Mysteries will show you the ins and outs of trading with a state-of-the-art trading system. If you want to purchase this product, the link will be available in the description and in the comment section. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk.